Okay, welcome to part 2 of the mysterious Congo Head tutorial. Now, it's been a couple of days, and as you can see, our Congo Head is completely dried out. He's not as chalky or dusty anymore. But we want to make him even more easier to handle. So before we paint him, so the way we do that is to seal it. Now you can see the neck on this particular head is quite wide, and there's a crack in the bottom here. Now that's good actually. Cracks are amazing because they just look more authentic. At some point, I want to do a head sort of statue like this that's kind of broken. So I'm thinking the way to do it is to break it after the fact, but I don't know. Maybe when it's semi-dry, I don't know. But anyway, he's kind of funny looking in this one now. He kind of looks like a weird old man. But this is how he was chiseled out of the rock. So what we want to do is, because his head is kind of slumped forward a bit when I put him on there. That's why I tilted him back when he was drying with the blue tack underneath the coaster here. So we want to, or at least I want to, glue him to a coaster. Now you can glue him so that he's facing a straight edge or a corner like that. It doesn't really matter. It doesn't matter how you do it. This particular one is just going to be sort of central, I think, because he's quite, like I say, he's got quite a wide neck on him. Now, I'm just going to I'm going to glue him down with super glue. So, take a new tube of super glue out. Actually, I'm going to pop my glasses on. This is a brand new tube. You can pick up tubes of super glue quite cheaply in various shops. I believe I bought these in Aldi. Shop called Aldi. You can get super glue anywhere though. Now, I'm just going to put quite a generous amount on here because I just want a good sort of adhesion to the base. Right, so that's it there. I'll pop my super glue away. Now, super glue of this nature, this thin stuff, it doesn't take that long to dry. It really doesn't. So once he's on, now what we're going to do is seal him. And the way we're going to do that is with PVA glue. I've got a tub of it here. I've got an old brush, which isn't much good for anything else other than this. Some people water their PVA down when they do this. I don't, because I'm using it. I'm sealing him in. I'm not worried about detail loss, although you won't lose detail with this. You just won't. And this will give a really good seal to the clay. I've found in the past that PVA glue is probably the best way to seal clay. It gives an amazing sealing to it. So once this is sealed, he'll actually be nice to handle because he'll be like super smooth and shiny and ready to take paint really easily. Now, because I use PVA glue like this and I don't thin the PVA down, this takes a couple of days to dry properly. Sometimes more if you put a lot into a crevice such as a mouth or eyeball or eyelid. You know what I mean. Now I'm thinking of doing a series of tutorials on statue type terrain because I feel I'm okay with it. I'm not bad at it. Because I want to do more than just heads. I want to do mysterious. I want to do mysterious statues. And I can see that the super glue has done its job adequately. I'm putting a very generous helping of PVA on, as you can see. I'm really slathering it over it. And you want to do this, because this will really seal it in, as I say. It will take a couple of days to dry, possibly longer, like I say, if you've got a lot of PVA in the recesses. There it is, there we are. We'll start painting him, you know, when he's all dry, and then you'll see how he's painted up. But this is the Congo Head, and I'll base him as well. I'll make him look like the others. I'll make him so that he won't look too out of place with the others. He's kind of a bit different, but that's it. I might do half heads and, you know, broken off heads, and I'll try a hand at some point, because I think that's like kind of a really cool. That would be a really cool statue to do. A hand coming out of the ground, that would be awesome. But for now, this is where we're at with our mysterious Congo Head, because he is pretty mysterious. And like I say, once he's dry, I haven't decided whether I'll do the painting tutorial for my patrons or on the free content yet, but either way, he'll be dry before the next tutorial goes up, and looking forward to doing that. Alright guys, well, thanks for watching. Remember, all brushes lead to war. I'll see you on the next video, and bye for now. Bye bye.